Good morning, students. Hope you'll be fine at your respective places. Today we are going to start. We have already discussed it. We were discussing this morphology of the flower. We have discussed the calyx. We have discussed the corolla. Now, today we are going to discuss one more topic, that is the estivation and its types. Now, first, what do we mean by the estivation? Estivation simply means the arrangement of sepals and petals in a whirl in a floral bud. What we have defined key, how the sepals, how the petals are arranged in a whirl, but in a bud stage, when the flower is in the bud stage, and how these sepals, how these petals, they are arranged in a whirl in this floral bud. Now, the sepals and petals, they are arranged in the same way, but the only difference which lies is their diagram. We have already discussed a simple minor diagram जो sepals हम दिखाते हैं, that is in this conical form. That is the sepal. When we draw the floral diagram, this is diagrammatically it is like this. Now, when we are going to draw, yeah, this sepal, this petal rather, it is in the circular form or in the concave form. This is the one difference. In the floral diagram, these sepals, they are arranged in this form, and these petals, they are arranged in this form. Now we have got various forms of the estivation. We have got various arrangements, rather how these sepals and petals are arranged in a flower bed. First one, that is called as velvet estivation. Velvet estivation. वेलवेट एस्टिमेशन में हम क्या देखते हैं कि जो सेपल्स होते हैं या जो पेटल्स होते हैं, देयर वी विल सी नो ओवरलैपिंग टेक्स प्लेस. They are almost free from one another. For example, I will draw you the diagram. This is the diagram. For example, we have got four sepals. Sorry, these five sepals. For example, this is the one sepal. Then we have got one more. Then we have got one more. Then we have got one more. One more. Sorry. This. Then this is got the one more. These are the what we will see, the five sepals which are arranged like this, but there is no overlapping takes place. They are separated from one another, and this is called as the velvet estivation. यहाँ पर जो sepals होते हैं या जो petals होते हैं, they are separate. There we will see no overlapping takes place. No overlapping of sepals or petals takes place. And here we will see जो sepals है या जो petals है, they are free from each other. They are separate from each other. And this is the characteristic feature जो हम देखते हैं कि this type of estivation, it is the characteristic feature of the brassicaceae. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जब हम इसकी एग्जाम्पल देंगे वी विल सी द ब्रेसिका कंप्रेस्ट्रस, जहां पर इस टाइप की एस्टिवेशन कंप्रेस्ट्रस हम देख सकते हैं. This is the first one. So first one is the valvate estivation. Here we will see no overlapping of sepals, no overlapping of petals takes place, but they are somewhat separate from each other. Second जो हमारे पास है estivation की, that is twisted. Twisted estivation. This twisted estivation की अगर हम बात कर लेंगे, it is the characteristic feature of the family Malvaceae. For example, we have got the China rose, जहां पर this type of twisted estivation is found. अब let us try to draw a diagram. This is the diagram. So this is the one. अब यहां पर हम जो दूसरा बनाएंगे, इसका एक एंड जो होगा अंदर होगा, एक जो होगा वो बाहर होगा, लाइक दिस, जैसे हम यहाँ पर देखते हैं. अब यहाँ पर जो हम देखते हैं, एक वाला अंदर एक वाला बाहर. अब यहां से हम एक और देख लेंगे. अब हम यहां की बात कर लेंगे. Like this. This is the, here we will see that यहां पर हम क्या देखते हैं कि एक एंड जो है that overlaps the adjacent petal or sepal, and second one जो है that is being जो second end है that is being covered by the adjacent, what we call as sepal or petal. And यहां पर हम क्या देखते हैं, इन आउट, एक एंड इन है एक एंड आउट है, एक एंड इन है एक एंड आउट है, एक एंड इन है एक एंड आउट है. एंड सच टाइप ऑफ अगर हम बात कर लेंगे इसकी एस्टिवेशन की, इट इज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर ऑफ द Malvaceae. फॉर एग्जांपल वी हैव गॉट द चाइना रोज. थर्ड जो हमारे पास है that is the imbricate. Estivation. Imbricate estivation हमारे पास दो किस्म के हैं. एक को हम बोलते हैं ascending imbricate estivation, सेकंड जो हमारे पास है that is called as the descending imbricate estivation. Now what is that? It is the irregular type of, no, but हम कहेंगे इसमें कोई शेप नहीं, इसमें कोई जो स्ट्रक्चर है how these sepals and petals are arranged, but here we will see in this type imbricate में there is an irregular arrangement of the sepals and petals. Now let us try to first draw this descending, and descending is also called as vexillary estivation. And this type of estivation which we have already studied when we were discussing the corolla वहां पर हमने क्या देखा कि एट दैट टाइम वी हैव स्टडीड द पेप्टिन्यूशियस फॉर्म. अगर हम वो आपको याद होगा, दैट अरेंजमेंट ऑफ द पेटल्स जो है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द व्हाट वी कॉल एज द डिसेंडिंग. फॉर एग्जांपल वहां पर हमके जो हमारे पास जो पोस्टीरियर एंड जो होता है दैट इज लाइक दिस. Posterior end. This is a posterior end. Then we have got two lateral, and this is called as this standard. Then we have got two lateral, which are called as the wings. And the last one what we will see, which is completely inner side, which will call, we will find two more. But both these they are fused together, so we will see a loop like structure, and these two are called as the keels. So this type, this is called as a waxillary estivation, or this is called a descending imbricate estivation. And यहाँ पर जो हम देखते हैं arrangement, that is somewhat posterior जो यहाँ पर है, it is, यहाँ पर हम क्या देखते हैं कि it is outwards, it covers these two lateral these petals, and these two lateral petals जो हम देखते हैं कि they covers these two interior ends petals जो हमारे पास है. This posterior one is called as the standard, these interior and these are called as the keels, and these lateral ones are called as the wings, and it is the characteristic feature of the Pepliniaceae, and it is mainly found in P या Peplinaceous family. This is this descending, इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पर B लिखा. अब जो हमारे पास ascending है, ascending में हम क्या देखते हैं, like this. Let us try to draw this diagram. This interior end, अगर हम बात करेंगे, this interior end, it is inwards या it covers ये वाला, ये कवर कर लेता है. This, इसमें हम क्या देखते हैं कि अब जो ये वाला एक है this, ये completely inner है. इसके दोनों जो हम देखते हैं, सॉरी ये वाला, अब जो ये वाला है इसके दोनों एंड्स अगर हम देख लेंगे दे आर इनसाइड. ठीक है. फिर इसमें हम क्या देखते हैं कि एक एंड इन है, एक एंड आउट है. Like this. This is in out, this is in out, this is in out, this is in. Both these ends they are inside. यहाँ पर हम क्या देखते हैं कि both these जो हम देखते हैं कि end जो हैं they are out. This is the descending estivation. अगर हम इसकी example देखेंगे, it is found in the what we call as the गुलमोहर. हाँ, यहाँ पर हम क्या देखते हैं, एम्ब्रिकेट एस्टिवेशन. एक्चुअली इट इज 3 टाइप्स ऑफ सिंपल एम्ब्रिकेट. सिंपल एम्ब्रिकेट में हम क्या देखते हैं कि कोई भी एक आप देखेंगे, एक पेटल जो होगा या एक सेपल होगा, दैट उसके दोनों एंड जो होंगे वो बाहर के होंगे, और एक जो होगा कोई भी एक दैट इज दैट उसके दोनों जो ये एंड्स होंगे वो इनसाइड होंगे और बाकी तीन में एक इन एक आउट, एक इन एक आउट, एक इन एक आउट, लाइक दिस पैटर्न। लेकिन असेंडिंग में हम क्या देखते हैं कि इट इज दिस व्हाट वी कॉल एज द एंटीरियर एंड विच इज, जिसके दोनों एंड्स बाहर की ओर है। देन एक है जिसके दोनों एंड्स अंदर की ओर है, और जो तीन पेटल्स या तीन सेपल्स हैं दे आर इन आउट इन आउट इन आउट। एंड डिसेंडिंग में हम देख रहे हैं देयर इज दिस, इट इज द पोस्टीरियर विच इज कॉल्ड स्टैंडर्ड, जिसके दोनों एंड्स बाहर हैं। फिर हम क्या देखते हैं, विंग्स में है जो लेटरल है, एक इन एक आउट, एक इन, एंड देन देयर इज द कील्स, टू कील्स which are fused together, which are what we'll see both inner side. This is this imbricate estivation. Now we have got so we have studied what we call three types of estivation. Now we have got what we call as the three types of estivation. Now we have got the fourth one, estivation. What is that fourth type of estivation? We will try to discuss that. Now we will find this fourth one, and the name of this fourth one which we will see, for example we have got this pomegranate, वहां पर हम ये type of this, या गावा में हम देख सकते हैं that type of this estivation. And what is this estivation known as? One estivation, that is quinquennial estivation. What we will see in this arrangement, what we will find, we will find two petals or sepals, they are completely inwards, जो दो हैं they are outwards, then जो एक है petal or sepal, उसमें हम देखते हैं कि एक margin, one margin is inwards, and other margin जो है, second margin जो उसका है, that is outwards. So if we try to draw the diagram, we have to show two petals or sepals. You will see, let this be the outer one, let again this be the outer one, let this be the inner one, let this be the inner one, let again this be the inner one, now we will see there is the one whose one side is in, ये inner है, one side is in and one side is out, like this, and then there is the one which is completely outside. This type of estivation. These two they are completely outside, these two they are completely inside, and this one, it is one margin is outside and one margin is inside. And this type of estivation is seen in the pomegranate. This is found in the gawa या ranunculus family में, हम ranunculus family में, हम ranunculus में हम ये देख सकते हैं this type of estivation. And so we have seen how these sepals, how these petals in a whorl, how they are arranged in a whorl when the this flower is in the bud stage, and we find we have got the four types of the estivation. First one is the velvet estivation where we will see जो हम ये देखते हैं कि जो petals and sepals they are not overlapping each other, and in case of the second one which we saw the twisted, here we will see one margin of the petal or sepal is inwards and other is the outwards. Then we have saw imbricate में हम क्या देखते हैं, we have got the two types, that is the ascending and the descending की अगर हम देखते हैं it is the peculiar feature of the Papilionaceae family. And जो हम देखते हैं what we call as this descending में हम क्या देखते, ascending is the character feature of the Papilionaceae, and descending में हम क्या देखते हैं कि one that is completely outside, that is the this anterior end, then one is completely inner side जिसके दोनों जो margin they are found towards the inner side, and the rest three उनका एक margin, एक inside है एक outside है. Then we have got this fourth one that is called a cunicule estivation. Here we will see 5 petals or sepals are there, 2 are completely innerwards like this, these are the innerward, then 2 are completely outwards, this is the outward, this is the outward, and one जो है उसका एक margin outwards है एक margin inwards है. This was all about the estivation. Rest, goodbye, God bless you, and tomorrow we will start. In next video we will try to discuss another topic. Until then, goodbye, God bless you.